Hello and welcome to Python tutorial number 92 on Tkinter. Today specifically we will talk about the Messagebox, which, as the name suggests, is a widget which allows us to give the user a particular set of information, whether that be an error, general information, or a warning. These three types, error, information, and warning, are the three flavors of sort with which we can classify our message box. Now let's look at this translated into code. First of all, in the top line, we need to add an additional line which says from tkinter.messagebox import show error, show warning, and show info. These are the three message box we spoke about earlier. Then underneath we can write three buttons as follows. tk.button, then we can say root, and text equals, we can say warning, and command, we will give it a lambda function this time, which goes show warning. And then inside this we can say title equals warning, and then message equals, this is a warning message. Finally, outside we can first of all wrap this around so that it doesn't take up so much space. And then we can say dot pack. There we go. And now we can again copy this out twice more. And this time we can also say info and error. Error here, info here, title equals info, title equals error. And then of course this will be show info, and this will be show error. Now as usual we can run the code, and you can see we have our three standard buttons. If we click on the first, we rightly so get a message box which contains our warning. As you can see, this message box has a warning flavor to it, in that the icon it contains has an exclamation mark. Then we can of course also click on the info, and this time our information message box will have an eye inside a blue circle. Finally, our error, as with many examples, will give us a red circle with a white cross inside it. And specifically, as we stated in our examples, the title in this case will be error, and the text inside will be this is an error message. Of course, both of these are fully customizable to whatever your needs may be. Now I hope you appreciated this short dive into three different types of message boxes we can create in order to give the user appropriate feedback. With that, I wish you all the best of time, and I look forward to seeing you again next week for another video. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Now all that's left for me to say, as always, is happy coding!